Hi Laserheads, Fred here with San Antonio Lasers. Today I'm going to show you how to create a black marking on aluminum. This procedure is done in focus. The not so secret is the use of a new product. It's called Brilliance, the BLI 101 MBAS 12 variant to be exact. Unlike Surmark, Brilliance works on aluminum and can, with the right settings, produce a deep black permanent mark on aluminum. Did I mention it's also less than half the price of Surmark? All you need to do is set your speed to 1.2 inches per second, frequency set to 30 kilohertz, power at 25% for a 30-watt laser, line spacing at 0.0039. Now turn off bidirectional, auto rotate, and crosshatch, all of them disabled. Now all you have to do is press go. Let us know if this was helpful and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you for watching.